Hello everyone, an awesome morning to all my lovely kids. Hope you all are having great time at your home. Kids, so in the past video we have completed chapter number 7. So it's time to begin another chapter. So let's begin chapter number 8. Today I am back again with subject science and we'll start chapter number 8. And the name of the chapter is technology and inventions. So kids, take out your science books and open your books at page number 106. In this chapter, firstly we will learn the new words. We will understand the new words. What are the words? The first word is revolutionize. Means to bring a radical change, a very big change that improves our life. So that is called revolutionize. What is technology? Technology means a scientific knowledge for a practical purpose. A scientific knowledge which we use in our practical life. What is invention? Invention means to create or to design something new. कुछ नया बनाना, that is called invention. What is atomic energy? A powerful energy which is obtained from complex reaction. Okay. Now what is disposal? Do we eat food in sometimes disposable plates? So what we are doing after eating, we are throwing it. So disposal means an act of throwing away something. किसी चीज को फेंक देना, that is called disposal. What is global warming? Global warming means the earth's temperature increases gradually. It becomes more hotter, so that is called global warming. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion means removal of the top layer of soil due to human, animal or natural activity is called soil erosion. Now let's begin the chapter. What is technology and what are the inventions? Invention is an act of making something new. Invention means a process of making something new. New things we are making, that is called, a way of making new thing is called invention. किसी चीज को बनाना, that is called invention. And a person who invents it, जो उस चीज को बनाता है, that person is called inventor. Okay. For the first time, human beings have always been thinking and inventing to help them improve their living conditions. From the past time, human beings have always making something new. Like earlier, it was old, but as the time passes, the things becomes more comfortable for us to use. The technology has more improved, so the things which we are using, it is also getting improved. These inventions have made life more comfortable for us and has gradually changed the world. These inventions have changed the world a lot. Earlier, people used to go from one place to another by the animals. Then they have started, then afterwards they have invented a wheel. So they have started using the wheel by the animals. They have started pulling their animals with the carts. After that, people have invented bicycle, then scooters. Now we are using cars, aeroplanes. If we want to go from one country to another country, so we are using aeroplanes, helicopters, jet planes. So these all are things are a part of technology. Bicycle, television, mobile phone, computer, etc. are all inventions. These all things. Television do we use? Earlier it was not like the way it is right now. Earlier it was very big in size and the things were like, it was not colored also, but now it is colored. The televisions are more smarter than earlier. Now earlier the people used to talk on landline phone. They were having landline phone, but now we are using mobiles, smartphones. Okay, so this invention and we people have also improved our lives by these inventions. Technology is the application of science which leads to invention. As we keep improving on inventions, the technology keeps improving too. As scientists have improved the technology, the scientists have improved the inventions, the technology has also been improved. Like earlier we were using old things, the things, but now as the time is going on, as the time passes, the technology is getting improved. Earlier we used to send message, so we have to write letters, but now by the emails or by on mobile WhatsApp, you can send message very fast in a very less time. But earlier, if someone wants to send message to somebody, then they have to take a lot of time, lots of days to send message to somebody. But now instantly we are sending message to somebody to whom we want to send. So this is all about technology. For an example, earlier we used to wait for days to get a letter through the postal service. Earlier people used to send letters through postal service, but now we are sending emails, we are sending messages through the mobile, so the people get the messages very fast. However, technology can also be a disadvantage, but this technology can be also a disadvantage for us. Disadvantage means नुकसान, जिससे हमें harm हो सकता है. Like all the things are good, but if you will use in more time, full time, if you will use the technology, then it can be a disadvantage for you. This is because it can get used for distracted purposes. For example, atomic energy is used to generate electricity for a city. जैसे atomic energy का use इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बनाने के लिए किया जाता है, पूरी सिटी के लिए इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई करते हैं, बनाते हैं एटॉमिक एनर्जी से. बट अगर उसका डिसएडवांटेज क्या है, अगर उसका गलत यूज हो तो इट कैन डिस्ट्रॉय द होल सिटी, पूरी सिटी. इसका एटॉमिक एनर्जी से हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी बनाते हैं और एटॉमिक बॉम्ब भी बनते हैं. जो एटम बॉम्ब्स बनते हैं, दैट एटम बॉम्ब्स कैन डिस्ट्रॉय द whole city. So this atom bomb are the disadvantages of atomic energy. Okay. Another example is that with the mobile phones, we can communicate with anyone instantly, but it is also causing us to become so addicted that we do not talk to a person sitting next to us. Now, another example is mobile phone. Earlier, we used to talk on landline and we used to consume more time with the family members or with our friends to talk with them. But now what is going on, like we are having mobiles, so we are that much addicted of mobiles that full time either we used to chat with the friends on mobile, or we used to run Facebook, or we used to listen music on them, but we are not giving time to our friends or to our family members as much as the people were giving earlier. पहले लोग अपनी फैमिली के साथ में ज़्यादा enjoy करते थे, but अब क्या है, we are using mobiles, so full time we are getting busy with that. We are listening music, we are sending messages with two friends, but we are not talking to another person who is sitting next to us. This is not good for our society, and it is also not good for our society. So now come on to page number 108. Some common inventions. Let us discuss a few common inventions with their advantages and disadvantages. Now we will learn some common inventions, and their advantages means फायदे and disadvantages means नुकसान. We will focus on the inventions mentioned below. Okay, so now plastic, machines, buildings and television. These are the common inventions which we use in our daily life. Okay, now what is plastic? If you look around, you will see that many things at home are made up of plastic. You will find many things around us that is made up of plastic. Suppose glass, the water bottle, the lunch box, benches, chairs, these all things are made up of plastic, and we use it in our daily life. So now we will learn in this chapter that what are the advantages of plastic. Plastic is cheap. Cheap means सस्ता. Plastic जो होता है वो बहुत सस्ता होता है. Plastic is easily available. You can get it very easily. Like plastic things you can get it very easily in the market, as it is very cheap in the cost. Plastic is more durable. Plastic never gets destroyed easily. It is more durable. It runs for a long time. Things made of plastic are colorful and attractive. The things which are made up of plastic, it comes in very different shapes and colors, and they attract us. You are eating lunch in your lunch box. The lunch box which you bring in the school, that comes in very attractive colors and very attractive designs. So it is also made up of plastic. They can be made in a large quantity. Things of plastic can be made in a very large quantity. They are light in weight. They are very light weighted, so you can carry it very easily. Now what are the disadvantages? इसके नुकसान क्या है? We'll study more about this. The disposal of plastic waste is very harmful for the earth, as plastic does not break down and mix in the soil. When you dispose the plastic, it does not dispose it easily. So it is very harmful for the earth, as it does not mix with the soil. ये जमीन में mix नहीं होता, ये मिट्टी में mix नहीं होता easily. So it's very harmful. Hence it is very harmful for all living beings. So it is very harmful for us also. Now burning of plastic gives out poisonous gases that pollutes the environment. It is very harmful for our health. If you will burn plastic, it will gives you poisonous gases, which is very harmful for us, for the human beings. So these are the disadvantages of plastic. Now what are machines? Machines क्या है? The things which we use, see now in this image, all these things we use in our daily life. Do we use it? Yes. Your mama is washing clothes in washing machine. So this is a machine. Your papa is going to office or to shop in a car. This is also a machine. Refrigerator is also a machine. So these all equipments are machine. We use them. They makes our life comfortable, and they gives us all the comfort which we need in our daily life. Many machines are used in our daily life. Example, vacuum cleaner, washing machine, fridge, microwave, etc. These all machines, like vacuum cleaner. Earlier, the people used to clean their house by the broom. झाड़ू से साफ करते थे. But now, as the technology has improved, we got vacuum cleaner, and by the vacuum cleaner, we can clean our house very easily. It runs on electricity. Washing machine. Earlier, people used to, your grandmother, your elder ancestors used to wash their clothes by their hands. But now we are using washing machines. Your mama is washing clothes in washing machine. So these are the improvement of technology. These things have been improved. Technology has been improved. So we got more new things that makes our life comfortable and easy. Earlier, the people used to drink pot water, but now we are using refrigerator, so to get cold water. Earlier, your grandmother used to make the food on wood fire. Then your mama started making food on gas, stove, okay. But now we got microwave. More new invention came in the world. So now microwave makes the food more faster on gas, like on gas. If you are taking 10 minutes to make food on gas, so that microwave will take 5 minutes for making the food. Okay, so it takes less time and makes your life more easier and comfortable. Now, advantages of machines. They work faster and save our time. They make our work easier. They can work for long hours. These machines can save our time and they can work for long hours. We can use them for a long hours. Now, what are the disadvantages of a machine? All machines are made in factories. These factories give out smoke which is very harmful. All these machines are making in factories. These machines are made in factories. So by the factories the smoke comes out, and that smoke, wo jo dhua hai, that is very harmful for us, for the human beings, for the environment of us. The chemical thrown out as waste materials from factories cause water and soil pollution. The chemical which comes out from the factories after making the things, after making the machines, or after making anything, the factories which throws the chemicals out, that pollutes the water. So water is also getting polluted by the chemicals of the factories, and soil is also gets polluted. Working on various machines may also lead to accidents. Like some of the laborers which they used to do work on the machines, they can met with an accident. Okay, so sometimes they can get, their hands can be cut, their legs can be cut, they can met with an accident while doing work on the machine. So these are the disadvantages of the machines. Machines that produce harmful smoke and chemicals destroy the Earth's atmosphere. The machine that produce harmful smoke can destroy the Earth's atmosphere. हमारा atmosphere spoil कर देती है ये जो smoke निकलता है, which results in global warming, which gives global warming. It increases the global warming means it increases the temperature of Earth. Now turn the chapter, come on to page number 110. Buildings. Buildings are strong structures used for living and business purposes. People used to make big buildings to live in and to sold them to make their business, to earn money from that building. They used to make the buildings and they used to sold them and get money from the people to whom they have sell that building. Okay, so this can be a business also. Now advantages of buildings. Buildings provide us shelter. हमें आश्रय मिलता है, रहने की जगह रहते हैं. We used to live in buildings, so this the place where we live, that is our shelter. They protect us and our belongings from rain, cold, heat and other animals and thieves. These buildings in which we are living, they protect us also and our belongings means rishtedaro ko bhi. It protects our family members also from summer season, from winter season, from very hot, from the cold, from raining season also, and from other animals. If you are living in a house, so you are safe. Nobody comes and nobody gives harm to you. But if you will live on a road, so anyone can harm you, any animal can harm you, or anybody can harm you. Okay. Now what are the disadvantages? Making a building leads to deforestation. Deforestation means जंगलों की कटाई. We are cutting the forest and making buildings on that place of forest. We are cutting trees and we are making buildings on that land. So this process is called deforestation. Cutting of forest to make places for buildings. Deforestation leads to loss of plants and forests, which in turn cause floods and loss of life and property. If you will cut the trees, then what will happen? क्या होगा? Flood will come and people life and the property loss will be there. People will get died and their buildings, everything will get destroyed by the flood. So we should not cut the trees, we should plant more and more trees. It also leads to soil erosion and global warming. Deforestation is also leads to global warming and soil erosion. Global warming, like if we grow more trees, so our environment will be very healthy. It will not become in global warming. We will stay safe. Now television. We use television. We see television every day. So that television is a enjoyable thing, like we get enjoyed by the television. We see different programs in the television. So this is also an invention. Television is a machine on which we can watch programs. Now what are the advantages of television? Television gives us the latest information on all that is happening around the world. On television, if we listen to news, so we are getting the knowledge about all the world, what is happening around us in the country or in other countries also. We get all the important news instantly, and we get all the important news instantly means haathon haath, like fastly we get the news. Okay. Now television educates us on many things. By television we get lot of knowledge from television also. It is also a good source of entertainment. It's a good source. You are getting enjoyed by television. When you are getting bored after studies, do you watch television? You are watching sometimes programs, sometimes you are watching cartoons. So this is a good source of enjoyment and entertainment. Now what are the disadvantages? Watching too much of television can cause eyesight problem. You can have eyesight problem if you will watch the television for a long time. Many of the television shows are not suitable for children. On the television, many of the programs such as programs are coming, so they are not suitable for children. So children should not see such kind of programs. Watching too much of television distracts the person and also affects the sleeping pattern. If you will watch more television, then what happens? Later, you will not be able to sleep properly. Your sleeping pattern will get changed because you are addicted of watching television. So your sleeping pattern will get changed. Till here, we have completed the chapter. The further chapter we'll be doing in the next video, next session. Okay. So till then, take good care of yourself. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye kids.